Welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So in this summarization video, we're going to teach you how to get the soul guitar. So first and foremost in this summarization, you have to complete a puzzle on Haunted Castle Island. Okay, that's the location. You have to be at least 2,300 plus level and start the puzzle under a full moon. So finish the puzzle steps and use 500 bones along with 250 ectoplasm and 1 dark fragment and 5,000 fragments to craft the soul guitar. So you're the one who is actually going to craft this, and it's a very helpful tool because it actually heals you for about 3% up. And not only that, it offers to maximum health and about 10% damage converted to health. So only when damaging a player will you get this. So that's just it for the summarization. Thank you for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.